Welcome to NUUO NVRsolo training. You are currently in the recording and event section, and during this video we will show you how to configure the recording schedule locally. NUUO NVRsolo offers three types of recording modes. Here we're going to see how you can schedule these recording modes. Select Recording and Event menu, then click on Recording Settings sub-menu. Now we're in the Mode tab, and from there you can see three recording modes: No Recording, Record by Schedule, and Always Record. Here you can define the desired recording mode for your cameras. You also have two options for the schedule mode: the day mode and the week mode. The day mode means the recording schedule is programmed on a daily basis, while the week mode means that the schedule is on a weekly basis. Here, we chose the week mode. Now we choose Record by Schedule. This mode will apply to all the connected cameras. After that, click on Save and move to the Schedule tab to configure your recording schedule. However, note that if you want to apply the configuration of the schedule, you need to select Record by Schedule as we did. From the Schedule tab, you can configure the schedule for each of your cameras. Select the cameras of your choice. Here we chose Camera 1. As you can see, we are in the weekly mode as we had previously selected. You can notice four recording types, which are Always, Motion, Input, and Disable. Disable corresponding to the No Recording type. Note that by default the recording type is Always Record, which means the recording is executed on a 24/7 basis. However, you can also apply the three other recording types. For the Disable type, if you don't want to record a certain period of time, you can choose it, click on Disable, and then go to the schedule bar to apply it, like this. As you can see, the bar color will become gray. After that, click on Save. For the motion and input recording, before you apply any of these types directly to the schedule of each camera, you'll need to go to the Motion and Input tabs and do some initial settings. Here, you're going to see how to configure the motion recording type. Note that the method to set up the input recording type is the same as the motion type. Go to the Motion tab and choose the camera for which you want to apply the motion recording type. Here we chose Camera 3. Then go to the camera list to select the camera from which the motion will be detected to trigger the recording. As we can see in our example here, we assign Camera 3 to start recording upon detecting motion from Camera 2. After that, click on Save, and a window will inform you of the success of the settings. Please note that in order to use the Record on Motion mode, you will need to activate the Record on Motion function from your camera web page. For the input mode, note that in version 1.0 only input from camera's I/O ports is available. However, we will support Remote I/O box in the coming version. Back to the Schedule tab. Note that you can use several recording types for the same camera. For example, on Monday from 9 AM to 7 PM we configure Always Record, and from 7 PM to 9 AM we select Motion Recording. As you can see, we have two types of colors: red for Always Record and blue for Motion Recording. Note that you can simplify your recording schedule by using two functions. First, the copy function. From there you can select the day that you want and copy its schedule to other days. For instance, here we copy Monday's schedule to Tuesday and Wednesday schedules. Then click on OK. You can also apply this schedule to the other cameras through the selection of Apply All Week Schedule to the other channels. Here we choose Channel 2. After finishing your selections, click on OK. And click on Save. As you can see, the schedule of Channel 3 has been copied to the schedule of Channel 2. The second function can be used if you wish to apply the same recording type to the same day. That way, instead of configuring the time segment bars one by one, you can click on the desired day and recording type will be directly applied. Here's an example. Select Input Recording and then click on the Sunday button. Now the entire time segment turns green. For further information on NUUO NVRsolo's configuration of the recording schedule, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.